Okay, here we are in sunny Steveston. It's it's mid-October 2021 and we're back with the Banshee. She's just come out of the shipyard and she's had her hull stripped and painted. Looking pretty darn good. It's amazing the resilience of steel. So she's been blasted down and painted from the keel up to the gunnel. The troublesome D-rubber on the side of the vessel has been removed, and a half pipe's been welded on as a bumper. That looks fantastic. What an improvement. A little bit of schmutz there from the travel lift. Wow. That really just goes to prove how resilient a robustly built steel hull can be. And it looks like the restoration is going to continue as we move upward. Anyway, just an update. I hope you have a great day.